everybody. Thanks so much for joining Wyatt and I today. Can you say hi, Wyatt? Can you say hi? We're so happy to have you. Thanks so much for watching. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and show me some support. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up. I would also really appreciate that. So I'm kicking off another What I Wore video. And today is Saturday, the end of the week, when I was getting ready to put it all together for you and get it posted, when I realized that somehow I have deleted last Sunday and Monday, and I don't know how I did it, and I can't find the videos anywhere. So I couldn't include them in this video for you, and I am so sorry. So I only have 5 days worth of outfits for you, and it will end with a much earlier morning version of me in this outfit, so you will get to see it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. Hi everybody, it is the Tuesday after Labor Day, and today is my birthday. So I do not have a lot planned. I actually took the day off, and I am hoping to make it a pool day. It is supposed to get up to 90 degrees, and that sounds like a pool day to me. So I am working the rest of the week, and the weekend is not looking too good. Lots of rain coming. So I want to share my outfit of the day, and I am hoping to get a video done for you all before I do hit the pool. So today I have on a tank from my Target haul, a pair of Dear John shorts from a Stitch Fix from last summer, would have been last summer, and a pair of sorrel wedges that I had been looking at for well over a year before I took the plunge and bought them, and I love them. They're really comfortable, but they're a camel color, which is one of the colors in this pineapple. And since I am colorful everywhere else, I wanted to pick a neutral sandal. You can see Wyatt lounging here on the couch. He's had a rough day so far. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So let me share my outfit of the day. Okay, so I don't know if you can see these shoes, but they are a wedge. They're super comfortable. And these Dear John shorts are really fantastic, which I tend to like all Dear John denim. And I love the colors. So this is a really pretty color with this pineapple top. It really pulls that green color. And then I just stuck a tank under here, which the oranges and corals aren't my favorite, but I don't mind it underneath this tank because it adds some extra color, I thought. So hope you like my outfit of the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi, it's Wednesday and wanted to share my outfit of the day. I am wearing a top from 2 Stitch Fixes ago, and a pair of white shorts from the Loft from probably 2 years ago, and a pair of sandals that are like a pink and tan color. They're little wedges that are 9 West that are probably several years old now. So here is my outfit for Wednesday. And I did put a black tank under here because this top is a little bit short and flowy, so just in case, I did put a tank on. And these shoes have a little bit of a wedge to them. So this is my outfit for Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Hi everybody. Zena and Wyatt are joining me this morning. I actually got them to look for you. Happy Thursday. It is Thursday morning and I am working today. And then after work I have to go find a suit with my son, which is not fun because he's super picky, and he has to have a suit to wear to all of his varsity hockey games. So that should be fun, and he will grow out of it pretty quickly. So he grew out of his suit from last year. Anyway, I wanted to wear something super comfortable today. So this is basically like wearing a t-shirt and sweatpants, only in a dressy version. So I have on a tank from Old Navy I got for $11 just recently, and a skirt that is in a jersey, a stretchy jersey material from the Loft I think I got 2 years ago, and a pair, I dressed it up with a pair of J. Crew sandals that are just a plain black and some Lucky jewelry. So let me show you my outfit for Thursday. So this skirt, like I said, is super stretchy, but it's really nice because it's actually double lined. So it has 2 layers to it. So it's pretty thick and not see-through. And then I just found this, because it's a little bit more bodycon, I wanted a longer tank. So I found this tank at Old Navy, and I dressed it up with the jewelry. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi everybody, it is Friday. Made it to Friday. Even though it was a short work week, it still felt long for some reason. Wyatt's here, but Zena has decided she needs some quiet morning time and has decided not to join me this morning. Wanted to share my outfit of the day. I am wearing my Balzano jewelry this morning because I really do like it. I think it's very pretty. And a top from Stitch Fix, a pair of pull-on shorts that I got earlier in the season from the Loft. They're super comfortable. And you may have heard me mention before, I love Sanuk flip-flops. So I have on another pair of, I don't know if you guys can see these, Sanuk flip-flops that I got this season that I really like. So here is my outfit for Friday. Super comfortable. This little top from Stitch Fix, I wasn't sure if I really liked it, but I do. It actually is a little wrap top, but it connects here, has a button, ties here, and snaps here. So no worries about any mishaps. And these shorts from the Loft are really cute. They actually have pockets and they just tie. Super comfortable for a Friday outfit, and you can't go wrong with flip-flops. So hope everybody has had a great week. I will try to get tomorrow's outfit in as well and then get this posted. See you tomorrow. Hi, it is early Saturday morning and my son and I have hair appointments, and then it's off to a hockey game, and it is cold outside. So after being 85 yesterday, it is like 60 degrees outside, and this is the warmest it's going to be today. And on top of that, it is raining. So what is up with that? I do not like it. Wyatt doesn't like it. He's already going back to sleep. What are you doing, Wyatt? Anyway, so I want to share my outfit of the day. I have on a pair of crops I got in a Stitch Fix earlier in the spring, I believe. A top from Transcend. I still have sandals on. They're like a booty sandal because I can't give up on summer just yet. And I got a jacket because, like I said, it's cool out today. So here is my outfit for Saturday. And I did put a tank top on because I figure I'm going to need an extra layer. And here is my jacket, which is a jacket from Express. And this is the top that has those extra little, that little cutout in the back that I got from Transcend, which I thought was so cute. Okay, so that is my outfit for Saturday. Thank you so much for joining Wyatt and I this morning. I hope you like these What I Wore videos. I will try to keep doing them for you as long as you guys would like to see them. I hope you would hit that subscribe button for me and show me some support. If you like these videos, please hit that like button. And thanks so much for watching. Till next time.